Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, it's still mid-March, still a little chilly. I'm standing close to this fire over here. I have not given my Char-Griller Off-set any love this year, so I'm gonna fix that today. I've got about roughly 6 pounds of chuck roast in there. We're gonna smoke this and make some pulled beef. Chuck roast, so a lot of you know, is one of the most cantankerous things. You can't really go by temperature, you gotta go by feel to get it tender. So I'm expecting about a 6, maybe 7 hour cook today. We'll just play it by ear and see how we go. So guys, while this, I'm building this wood up here to a nice little bed of charred embers, let's go inside and prep some meat. Oh yeah, we're getting there. It's roughly 6 pounds of chuck roast. I picked up on sale, got a good price on over at my local box store. I don't always use a binder, but I am going to use a little Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, or however you say that. I think it'll go well with the beef. You've seen me use this on pork. Never used it on beef, but they say it goes well with it, so we're going to give it a shot. It's the McCormick's Grill Mates Sweet and Smoky Rub. Put this on all sides. Just gonna let these guys hang out right here until that fire is ready to go. A little windy today, guys, so could be a little issue with the fire, but we'll see what happens. Got a pan down there. Let's try to help with the cleanup a little bit. About 275. A little hotter than I want it, but I think it'll level out here in just a bit. We'll check back in about an hour. We are 1 hour in. It's our first look. We'll just look together. Not bad. We're gonna get a little. We're not even close, so I'm not even gonna check temps. All right. Yeah, feeling pretty good. Getting a little crust started. Dogs are excited. It's time to add a little wood, guys. Add 1 log here. I don't know if I mentioned it. This is straight pecan wood today, guys. Straight pecan. I can't think of anything better for beef. It's 2 hours in. See what we're looking like. Looking good, guys. Getting a good bark build up. We're at 147 in the back there. Wow. We are coming along. We got a ways to go. I'm gonna turn these. Get some even cooking. Let them go another hour. I'll take a look at this. I just added a piece of wood about 15 minutes ago, but we're in good shape there. We're in the 160s. We need to wrap this up and get it all tenderized. Might be another hour or 2, but hey, we're gonna get on it. Yeah, I know, I should be wearing gloves. Having fits with this wind, guys. This is looking too good. Alright, guys. Check back in a little while. We are probably pushing the 6 hour mark. I know I'm at temp because I've already snuck a peek whenever you guys weren't looking. I apologize for that. I'm really just checking for tenderness is all I'm doing here, guys. Very close. I'm gonna go a little bit longer up here. There you go. Let's give this a check here. pretty good. Guys, feeling pretty good. We're gonna pull this off and let it rest. Let me check this other one real quick. Again, I'm not checking for temperature, I'm just going for tenderness. I think we are about there. Let's go in here and get this to rest for a bit. Woo! You know, I'm gonna learn how to use gloves all these times. Alright guys, there it is. It's been resting a little bit. And finally, I get to use my claws my buddy Jerry got me for Christmas. First chance I've had to use them. Let's get in here and tear this up. Be careful because I'm going to make a mess with juices in here. I've got some Hawaiian buns here. Let's fix this up a plate. Make sure I get some smoke cream here. Set this on the side so I can try it by itself. I know what you're thinking. He's gonna put some Sweet Baby Ray's. Wrong. Got some sticky fingers. Got some sweet Kentucky bourbon. It's not Sweet Baby Ray's, guys. We're gonna give this a try. They had me at bourbon. I'm gonna go with a dill slice right over top, right here. A little salad mixture here on the side. A little tater salad. You gotta say it like that here in Kentucky. Tater salad. Let's give this a taste. Let's get a little piece here by itself. I don't know if you can see that. Probably can't. There's very nice, good half-inch smoke ring right there. Love it. Tell you what, that total stick burn, I'll tell you what, this makes the whole difference. Love it, guys. Go on for a bite with the barbecue sauce. Gotta try sticky fingers now. I've had sticky fingers, love sticky fingers, but I haven't had this sweet Kentucky bourbon, so let's go here. Sticky fingers, if you can find it where you're at, check that out, guys. Sticky Fingers Smokehouse Sweet Kentucky Bourbon, guys. Check it out if you can find it, because it is awesome. This meat was smoked. Tell you what, I've never done a total stick burn with a chuck roast, and I'll be doing it that way from now on. I promise you. Folks, thanks so much. Appreciate you watching this video, taking time here to check us out. Hey guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much, folks. We will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.